guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to make some Shivarathri Fasting Specials. We're going to make some delicious sweet powder, some sweet laddus, and last but not least, some delicious homemade almond milk. These three delicious meals will shine a bright light in your day. You're going to need half cup of peanuts for this. And you're going to roast them all. You're just going to make sure, you're just going to move them every once in a while, every few seconds, to make sure they're roasted all over. So you're going to dry roast them for 5 minutes until they turn into a golden brown color. So you're just going to keep on roasting them after a while. And after a while, when they're ready, you're going to grab a plate and put all your peanuts in there because you're going to need the pan again. Put it in a plate. And time for the second ingredient in the pan. You're going to need 1/4 cup of roasted gram or split putnalu. And you're going to dry roast them too for, 1 to 2 minutes. Since they're pretty small, they take about a less time to roast. So it's pretty easy to make these, guys. It's very easy and very quick to roast these little guys. After you're done, same thing, you're just going to put them in a plate. Now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. You're going to let it drizzle everywhere. Make sure it's all good. Once it drizzles a little bit, you're going to add 1 cup of wheat flour. And you're going to roast it. When it's ready, you'll know. You're going to roast it in low-medium flame until they change color. You'll also know that they're ready because they'll give a nice aroma set when they're ready. If you smell that awesome, delicate scent, they're ready to be taken out of the pan. So you're just going to keep on mixing them until they're finally ready. And make sure they're roasted everywhere. You can kind of see them turn into a peachy color from white. It's kind of a very, very light peachy color. You can barely see it, but the color is changing. So make sure the flour is roasted nicely. You're going to let it settle on the pan for a while. And meanwhile, you're going to blend your roasted peanuts and your roasted split gram. And you're going to grind them together. Make sure it's not too smooth. Make sure it's just right. You're going to add your roasted wheat flour into your mixture. And if you're thinking the sweet powder is ready, it's not. You still need to add some cashew and almonds or any type of dry fruits you'd like. You're going to grind them up. Some nuts would be perfect though. You can see it kind of has the same peachy color. So we're going to add it. You're going to add it into the mixture. And you're also going to need some powdered sugar. You're going to need 1 cup of powdered sugar. If you don't have it, you can always grind some. And you can add more to your taste, but you can add more based on your taste. You're also going to need 4 to 5 cardamom pods. Yum, those taste so good. I love those. And you're going to add your powdered sugar into the mixture. Powdered sugar actually tastes way better than normal sugar, guys. Very, very delicious too. So now you're going to mix it all together. And then there you go. Your sweet powder is ready. Yum. Wheat flour sweet powder is ready. Delicious. Now we're going to start making the delicious sweet laddus. You're going to take some of the powder, just half of it at least, and you're going to add 2 teaspoons of milk. Make it kind of like dough. And just mix it, and it kind of starts to form a dough. You're going to use it to make your balls. Your sweet laddu balls. So you can add a little bit more milk if you need to, because you need the powder to kind of turn into a dough, so that it can kind of form together and stick together and form a laddu. Yum. But I prefer the sweet powder. So now you're just going to squeeze them in your hand. Grab a handful, squeeze it in your hand. And once it's into a ball shape, your laddu's ready. Put it on a plate. You can make 2 delicious treats from 1 mixture. Creative and tasty. So there's your sweet powder, and your laddu is ready. Yum. So now we're gonna make some delicious almond milk. You're gonna need to soak 20 to 25 almonds in some water for a specific amount of time. Once they're ready, you can peel off the top and you can see those bare almonds. Yum. Almonds are really delicious, especially after they've been soaked in water. I mean, I know some people prefer to eat them without soaking them in water, but soaking them in water actually makes it easier to peel, and they're more delicious too. You're going to grind them, and you're going to add 3 teaspoons of sugar and 1/4 milk to make the paste. You're going to need to add your paste into your milk. After it's done, you've got your delicious paste. So there it is, all grinded and ready to be poured into a glass of milk. But we're going to need to boil 1 + ½ cup of milk first. Nobody wants to drink cold milk. We all like nice warm milk. Helps us sleep. Make sure it's all boiled together. Make sure it's all nicely boiled and delicious together. So you can see that steam coming up. Make sure to mix it up every once in a while. Make sure it's super hot. That way it'll mix in quickly. So just keep stirring it and making sure everything is ready. And now you're going to add the paste into your boiled milk and cardamom powder, and you're going to cook it for 5 minutes. So there is your almond milk getting all ready to be drank up. And into someone who's nice and thirsty for a glass of almond milk. Adding our cardamom powder. Now it's all ready. And after it boiled, you'll know that it's ready. You can serve it hot or cold, or sometimes even warm is just the perfect texture. Pour your almond milkshake into a nice glass. And it is ready. Yum. Super delicious, Sprinkle a few almonds and pista on top. Make sure they're chopped up first. And it is ready. Super delicious. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and watch our more videos and try out these delicious recipes on your perfect festival day. Happy Shivaratri. Bye everyone.